Hey everyone, Tracy Voigt here with Cooking with Co-op. Just wanted to give you a couple of pointers and a little bit of homework that you need to do before the event happens on Saturday. We've got a couple of things we need to prepare to make sure that we can have everything done in time in the hour that we're going to be doing the show. So the first thing I need you to do is make sure that your cod is thawed completely before the event happens. The proper way to do this would be to put it in your fridge covered a couple days before the night happens so it can slowly thaw out the way it's supposed to. If you're anything like me and if you leave things till the very last minute, it's totally okay. All you need to do is just pop that cod onto a plate, put it on the counter a couple hours before the event happens, and it'll be ready to go. And then the other thing that I'm going to ask you to do is to pre-cook the quinoa. Just follow the instructions on the package. It's very, very easy. Depending on what type of quinoa you're using, you might need to rinse it before you cook it. Some of it comes pre-rinsed, so just check your package instructions on that. I'm just cooking some up right now. I'm doing a little test recipe, getting ready for the night. So it's very easy. All you have to do is bring it up to a boil, reduce it to a low heat, and then set it for 15 minutes covered on the stove, and it'll come out perfectly and it'll be ready to go for the event. It is best if it's going to be cooled off before that night happens. So even if you want to make it the day before, that's totally okay. And then for those of you who are not getting the Crave box, just make sure that you double check the recipes that we're doing, because we're adding in a little recipe using some fudge brownie mix, but we're going to add a little twist to it. I'm going to be making a banana maple brown butter sauce that's going to go over top of it, and it is going to be delicious. So can't wait to see you guys all Saturday, 5:30. It's coming up quick, and I will see you then. Thanks, everyone.